Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the 2021 Annual Pre-Order unboxing. This catalog is filled with gorgeous products that are new for the 2021-2022 crafting period, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. And of course, if you're a regular customer of mine, your catalog is already on its way to you. And if not, you can email me your name, address, and phone number, and I'll be happy to mail you one if you don't have a local demonstrator. So let me set this aside and let's show you the goodies that came in my box. In colors are always my favorite, and so that's where I start with my pre-order. I'm going to show you all 5 colors. We have the Fresh Frieza, the Polished Pink, the Evening Evergreen, the Soft Succulent, and the Pale Papaya. Now I have to say, these colors have been a particular favorite of mine. I just love them all. Let me show you the cardstock itself. There's the Fresh Frieza again, the Polished Pink, the Evening Evergreen, the Soft Succulent, and the Pale Papaya. Aren't they gorgeous together? They're just beautiful. And great news, not only do we have in-color markers to go with them, and some beautiful jewels. These are actually faceted and kind of opaque looking. They're just beautiful and shine so nice. And of course, we've got my favorite coloring method here. There are stamping blends for all 5 colors, which is really exciting. And then we also have these fun loose petal flower embellishments. I hope you can see that. They're just a lot of fun, and they've actually got a 3D and a kind of bent petal look to them. That's not really the right word, but the petals have this beautiful look to them. And of course, if you're like me, you love your ribbon. We have the in-color ribbons in all 5 colors, and they have got this beautiful open weave to them. Let's see if I can quickly open this for you and just show you. I just love this kind of ribbon. It's going to be soft and easy to tie and just perfect with all the projects. In addition to the open weave ribbon, we've also got this beautiful woven ribbon in the Pale Papaya, which is a great addition to the product line. Okay, on to the suite of products that I got, and this will be a class in June. The Pansy Patch stamp set, which is a 2-step stamp set, and then coordinating dies that go with it. And they've got these fun little bumblebee embellishments that I think are going to be a lot of fun to play with. And of course, I've got 2 more designer series papers for you, the Hand Penned and the Beauty of the Earth. This catalog is filled with rich nature images, and I think you're really going to enjoy the papers. Of course, embellishments are one of my fun things that I always like to get. The silver and clear epoxy essentials, and then these beautiful genial gems. They're kind of like the elegant faceted gems that we have in the catalog currently, but they come in the mint and the Pale Papaya. I believe those are the colors. We also have some baker's twine that comes in a pack of 5 so that you get all 5 colors. And then this wonderful metallic combination pack. We also have this beautiful basic gray wide ribbon and a Highland Heather, and I hope you can see the shimmer on that ribbon. It's simply beautiful. Last but not least, I have this wonderful basic borders dies. I can't wait to give these a try. I think you're really going to enjoy using them on your projects. And my favorite little stamp set out of the group, the Party Puffins. This is going to be our card class stamp set for the first month of the catalog. I think it's cute, adorable, and wonderful little images for quick and easy birthday cards and all occasions cards. I hope you've enjoyed this little sneak peek of the new in colors and some of the products and upcoming classes that I'll be having from the 2021 annual catalog. And of course, if you'd like a discount on all your products and be able to order these items early, did you know you could do that by joining my team? Not only will you be able to get pre-order products and catalogs before anybody else does, You'll have a great group that you'll be able to craft with. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have about joining my team, the Blue Mountain Stampers. The 2021 annual catalogs will be available on May 4th. And of course, if you'd like any Stampin' Up! Products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.